Hello everyone, and in case you're wondering why I haven't been uploading videos for almost 2 weeks, was because I was spending a week at my grandmother's. But now I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing 6 new push-along engines, 3 of which are tender engines, and the other 3 are special variants that just recently been sold. So to start this off, I'm going to be unboxing the tender engines first, which are Gordon, Hero, and Emily. So the first tender engine I'll be unboxing is Gordon, one of the main characters in the show. Oh, yeah, there's a bit of a plastic. That's that's almost coming apart. But don't. But I still managed to pay for him without any problems. And out comes Gordon. Here's Gordon, like how he does in the TV, how he does in the show. Here's the boiler. Here's the undercarriage, or chassis. Gordon. And here's Gordon's tender, which is number 4. There's some coal and and here's chassis. There's Gordon. I'm just gonna go in random order. I mean, it doesn't really matter what order I go in, as long as I keep the video going. Emily's almost free. And here's Emily. And here's a look at Emily. I just love the big wheel, in which the original version doesn't have. So I figure that's a nice detail there, which actually makes the character more accurate than her original push-along version. Here are the hollow windows. And Emily. And here's Emily's tender with the number 12. hole. And here's the bottom. And lastly, hero. Now, in case you're wondering why I got another hero, was because the one I got was in the Soda Cup Racers pack. So I decided to get a hero individually as well. Oh, sorry, hero. Here's hero. Looking detailed with electric red wheels, and says hero. And here's his tender, number 51. The number based on his class. I just love how some of these engines have painted buffers while others don't. Maybe this was done to, maybe Mattel was cutting corners. Oh, I'm speaking of Mattel. If in case you're watching this, fuck you. Fuck you for ruining our childhood. Fuck you for taking all that away from us. Hope you're happy with yourselves. Yeah, I say, you are a big disgrace for a company. So what you gonna do about it? Nothing. 'Cause you know it's true. Sorry. I'm still upset about this whole thing. But anyways, we got Hero, Emily, and Gordon. Again, some engines have painted buffers while others don't. This is likely to cut corners or cut costs. And now I got 3 more push-lung engines to unbox, which are the Crystal Cave engines, Thomas, Sandy, which I got almost 2 weeks ago, and Kana, which I just got yesterday. Now, I believe these 3 were released to tie in with the theatrical release of The Mystery of Lookout Mountain, which is only available for a very limited time. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these 3 are also based on the movie. So I'm just gonna start off with the number 1 engine himself, Thomas. Yeah, before I get to that, I just want to remind you that this is the Thomas that I was getting almost last month, but didn't get to because it wasn't in Walmart's system. But now they have it in their system, along with Carly and no, along with Sandy and Kana, of course. So that makes me happy. What's up? We got Thomas. Ooh, I'm loving the face. I'm just loving these color wheels. And the detailing. Looks like Thomas is actually going on an adventure in Crystal Mine. Or the old mine. Or whatever. You some of you have seen the show, so you'll know what I mean. Just love that Thomas face right there. Next up, Sandy. Ooh, and I just love the I just love this piece of accessory Sandy came with. Although I'm not sure if it's actually removable. I can almost yep, it is removable. And here's Sandy. Going on an adventure with Thomas and his friends. Again, love these color wheels. Love the detailing. Oh, I wonder if this fits on the normal Sandy I got. Excuse me for a sec. Here's normal Sandy. Does fit, but I'm trying to get this part to connect to the hook. And there we go. I believe it does fit. And now to take it back off and put it back on Crystal Sandy. There we go. Back in its proper place, or proper engine. And here you go, normal Sandy. And lastly, Kana, Crystal Kana, or Crystal Caves Kana. Back up, Kana. No one wants to see your butt. Here's Kana in all her glory. And her Crystal Caves theme. And just said Kana. Loving these color wheels, loving these different new faces. So it's pretty safe to assume that the push longs are far more accurate than the motorized versions of the characters. In terms of size and detail. Yeah, that's on the Crystal Caves Thomas, Sandy, and Kana. And that's all on the Tenor engine. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And hope to make more videos. And well, I guess I shouldn't repeat myself. And y'all know the drill. But as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.